Well, hello, my senior friends. I mean, you can see it on your car. You can feel it in your throat. You can almost taste it in the air. It's pollen season where we live. And if you're just a little bit older, it doesn't just annoy you. It just about wears you out, doesn't it? But here's what most people miss. You know, pollen only shows up when things are still growing. And you see this yucky yellow pollen is proof that God is still multiplying all things around you, making them new. So remember, friends, even in this pollen season, just because we may be in a little later season of life doesn't mean that the season of growth and new things is over. In fact, Scripture tells us just the opposite of that. Psalm 92:14 says, they will bear fruit in old age, and they will stay fresh and green, or yellow in this case. But we're still bearing fruit, still full of life, still green. See, that yellow dust covering everything, hey, that's just a reminder that God is still in the business of renewal. He's not finished with you just yet. You may feel older, you may move a little slower, but your life can still be blooming with purpose, wisdom, and influence. You can still be an encouragement for other people around you. So the next time you see all this pollen blowing around and those yellow clouds everywhere, don't think irritation, think invitation. You see, God is still growing things, and God is still growing you. And that's your bright side for the day.